What is up, everyone? It is Don here, and today we are just going to be doing some more Roblox videos because we're going to do another Roblox video today. I don't know what game we should play. By the way, guys, my friend Matthew. But yeah. Okay, sorry about that. My friend Matthew has a channel. You guys should go subscribe to him. I'll put his channel down below. I'm gonna text him on Roblox so I don't hit my main character. I'm just gonna move my camera up. Oh, here's right here. So yeah. I wish I could move this up, but I can't. So, or I'm just kidding. I just don't really need to see my combo. 15. Okay. We are just gonna be playing. Oh, I have 3 friends left. Queen, no. What are they doing? Oh yeah, going to the game. Let's see if Mad Murder works, because last time it didn't work. Bro, get out of here. So yeah, you guys can add me on Roblox, basically the NYT. So hopefully this works, because last time it was glitching and stuff. Oh god. But thank you guys so much for over 170 subscribers. I now have 172. Yeah, I have 172 now. So if you guys aren't subscribed to my channel, if you're not subscribed to my channel, you guys should do that to become part of my lit squad. Because my lit squad is lit, you know. You guys should subscribe to be part of my lit squad. Oh, is this thing broken? I don't want to keep falling out of the world. It's just pointless. This is just pointless. Oh, shoot. Oh, okay, we're good. We're good. This one's broken. Okay, this is why I don't play Mad Murder anymore. Stupid fail. Alright. I'll put most of my friends' channels down below if I can remember them. Then. So I'm gonna see if I can get Twisted Murder for this guy. Let's see if this works. Okay, good. It works. So yeah, we are now playing Twisted Murder. Yeah. Okay, my friend Juan wants to be in this video, so I'm gonna see if he wants to call on Snapchat because I have him on Snap. So, yeah. So if you guys can hear my phone in the background, I might have to make a part 2 of this. So, this is, oh y'all can't see my kid. There we go. I gotta actually use. Hold on, I'll call my favorite Juan in a little bit. Let me see if he will answer. Okay, I'm gonna call him right now. I've been recording for 8 minutes now. There he is. He answered. Aww. Bruh. I just called him, it just like, connection failed. Oh my god. please. Okay, forget it. This video has just been mostly me looking at my phone, which is not polite. There will definitely be a part 2 to this. So, yeah. There will definitely be a part 2 to this. Just to let you guys know. Because this video was just me looking at my phone all the time. Okay, so guys, stay tuned for part 2 of this video. I will put my friends' YouTube channels in the description. I don't know if I will record part 2 later, so stay tuned for that. If you guys enjoyed this video, bye.